police force has denied that alleged helicopter and vehicle were used to convey cash as claimed in some social media reports. Alleged helicopter belonging to the force landed at St. Paul Primary School on Moiron, Kwara to offload cash into a vehicle belonging to Mr. Tunji Ajunlopin, the APC candidate for the November 17th by-election in the state. A statement by the force spokesman, acting DCP Jimo Moshood, on Thursday in Abuja said the helicopters were deployed for surveillance and airlift of officers in the Saturday Ekiti Repodun Oke federal constituency by-election. Moshood emphasized that the helicopters were deployed for surveillance patrols and support services to ensure secure environment during the by-election and implored the public and the media to disregard and discountenance the publication.